Good morning. My name is Daniel Siswanto. Today, I would like to present my research with the title, The Effects of Sleep Quality on Vigilance and Driving Performance in a Train Simulator. Vigilance becomes an important factor in train drivings that tends to be a repetitive task, tedious task with high risk but low level of control. Vigilance decrement causes a slowdown in cognitive function and increases reaction time, which can cause human errors while working. Because train driving is considered to be a high-risk job, errors made while driving can lead to accidents. Investigations on 23 train accidents in Australia found that 65% of accidents were caused by a slip in attention. Driving is basically a vigilance task that requires psychomotor reactions and is very sensitive to fatigue. That's why vigilance decrement is often used as an indicator to detect fatigue and sleepiness. Decreased alertness due to fatigue illustrates the reduced ability of individuals to drive because they are no longer able to maintain the sustained attention needed when driving. Sleep-related factors are often called as causes of fatigue, which will reduce vigilance and work performance. According to Alhola and Polo Cantola, sleep deprivation is stated to worsen cognitive performance such as vigilance, working memory, long-term memory, and decision-making. Aside from sleep deprivation, poor sleep quality also affects performance when driving a train. Sleep disorders or poor sleep quality is reported by De Vark et al. To be a cause of vigilance or sustained attention decrement in 1,266 train drivers in Belgium. Williamson et al. Stated that drivers who subjectively assess their quality of sleep as poorly have a higher risk of an accident while driving. So far, not many studies have shown an association between vigilance and sleep quality. Researches that have been done related to the association between vigilance and sleep quality have not given any conclusive results. Betel Anwar et al. Prove that poor sleep quality decreases vigilance, but stated that vigilance alteration was not sensitive to sleep quality. However, De Vark et al. Hinted at the importance of conducting studies on the effect of sleep quality on vigilance because it was reported subjectively to be the cause of decreased vigilance for most train drivers. Based on the previous explanation, the purpose of this study was to investigate the effects of sleep quality on vigilance and performance while driving a train simulator. This study involved subjects, male, aged 21 to 25 years. Each subject undergoing two experimental treatments, namely good and poor sleep quality. The indicator used to assess sleep quality was sleep efficiency. Sleep efficiency greater than 85% were categorized as good sleep quality, while sleep efficiency less than 85% were categorized as poor sleep quality. Sleep efficiency was calculated as a comparison between total sleep time and the duration of the sleep episode. Total sleep time shows the length of time someone slept, while duration of the sleep episode shows the duration from the attempt to sleep or sleep onset latency to the last wake without trying to fall asleep again or final awakening. Vigilance test was performed with PC-PVT 2.0 with 5 minutes durations. Parameters of PVT used as indicators of vigilance were mean reaction times and minor lapse or number of responses with reaction time greater than 500 milliseconds. PVT was carried out at the beginning and the end of the experiment with a train simulator. While driving a train simulator, vigilance is measured by Muse EEG. Each subject runs the train simulator for 120 minutes in a monotonous condition where the train did not stop from the first station to the end. The measured brain waves were theta, which is a sensitive measure to represent vigilance alteration because when power theta rises, vigilance decreases. Vigilance measurement of each subject was carried out with PC-PVT 2.0 with a duration of 5 minutes at the beginning and at the end of the experiment. The results shows that mean reaction times and minor lapses were worse in poor sleep quality. Measurements at the end of the experiment also show a decrease in alertness that can be seen from the increase in mean reaction times and minor lapses from start to finish periods. This indicates the hypothesis that there was a monotonous effect on alertness. Driving performance in a train simulator was measured by the amount of speeding, which is the violation of the speed limit. In the condition of poor sleep quality, the average number of speeding has almost doubled. This indicates the effects of sleep quality on driving performance. The effects of sleep quality on vigilance and driving performance were tested by multivariate analysis of variance or MANOVA. The dependent variables involved were mean reaction times and minor lapses, mean relative band powers for theta, and the average number of speeding on the train simulator. Based on the MANOVA test result, it was concluded that sleep quality simultaneously affected mean reaction times, minor lapse, the average of relative band power for theta, and the average amount of speeding. The results of the EEG measurement while driving also showed the relative band powers for theta that were higher in poor sleep quality than in good sleep quality. This result was consistent with previous research which stated that when vigilance decreases, theta power increases. To analyze the effects of monotonous driving conditions on vigilance, a pair sample t-test was performed on the results of the PVT test for the beginning and the end of the experiment. Pair sample t-test results show that there were differences for mean reaction times and minor lapses at the beginning and the end of the driving experiment with the train simulator under monotonous conditions in all conditions of sleep quality. This shows the effects of monotonous conditions that cause vigilance decrement while driving. The results of the study concluded the effect of sleep quality on vigilance and driving performance. Monotonous driving condition also prove its effects shown by decreasing vigilance while driving. This is evidenced by a significant increases in mean reaction times and minor lapses from the beginning to the end of driving. The results of the study also show that poor sleep quality worsen the vigilance needed when driving a train. Thank you for your attention.